See, what we are looking at is, first of all, a complete functional profile is must. And when we say FAR analysis, it is not of the Indian taxpayer alone. We are also looking at the foreign taxpayer. Now that is very important. So, many times we have to go back to the applicant and request him that this functional analysis is not complete because what your AE in the other country is doing that we haven't got. So it will be good if at the time of preparation of APA application that these details are prepared in advance. Sabine has correctly said that complete information is the key if you want us to process case quickly. And one has to come out with all the answer. Many times we ask the question that, what is the compensation or what is the margin that your A is earning on this transaction, then people say that that is not relevant. I am only looking at the Indian entity. So, that is not correct because in APA we have to understand the complete functional profile
Intervalue chain.
and intervalue, what are the value drivers, how the people are compensated, whether they are compensated according to the contribution they are making. So that is very important, So my advice is come out with all complete information and that will help process your case faster.